Hi, I'm Carl Palladino, and I'm mad as hell. Liberal tax, spend, and borrowing policies are destroying New York State. Liberal social policies further undermine our communities. That's why I'm running for governor. I'm not a career politician. I'm a self-made businessman. I'm pro-life, pro-gun rights, and I oppose gay marriage. I'll slash spending and cut taxes. I'll turn Albany upside down and take out the trash. I'm a real Republican, and I will enter the Republican primary for governor by petition if necessary. I welcome the support of any Republican who wants a true revolution in Albany and who is ready to take on the liberal special interests that are destroying our economy and our state. I'm prepared to spend up to $10 million of my own money to pursue this crusade, to clean out Albany and return control of our government to the people. Before you choose a candidate for governor, I urge you to see how my campaign unfolds. I'm the candidate who can go toe-to-toe with Andrew Cuomo, expose his disastrous public record, and beat Prince Andrew. Thank you.